This video we will learn how to use double X lookup in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data, product name, monthly sale and total sale. And here I want as per product different month amount of sales. So I'm here using the X lookup to get the sales amount as per the month. So is equal to X lookup. Lookup value is a product, comma. Lookup array is a product column. Then return array, I'm select here all amount. Okay, then bracket close. Here you see all month cell show here as per the product. But I want only April, Feb and June cells. So here I'm using again Xlookup is equal to Xlookup tab lookup value all month, comma lookup array all month row, and return array. This is a Xlookup already I used. Those formula will be our lookup array. Sorry, return array. So bracket close and just enter. Something is wrong. I just checked my formula again. Here you see I first select the lookup value, then lookup array, then this G12 is by mistakenly selected. Okay, then comma and just enter. That's it. Here you see the AC product April sale is 45,230, Feb sale 5,500 and June sale 5,000. If you want to check the different product data, then you just enter here the product name laptop. Okay, here you see the April laptop sale 80, 8,70,000 and Feb laptop sale 56,000 and June laptop sale C 4,50,000. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.